देखिए, सरकारी किसी नीति में कोई कमजोरी नहीं रही। संसद के दोनों सत्रों में जो चर्चा हुई उसमें भी और आज की मीटिंग में भी बिना किसी अपवाद के सभी राजनीतिक दल एक ही दिशा में बोले हैं। सबकी यह धारणा स्पष्ट थी कि जहां तक सुरक्षा के मामले हैं, सिक्योरिटी के मामले हैं, उसके साथ कोई हम समझौता नहीं कर सकते। लेकिन जहां तक आम आदमी की तकलीफ है, उसको हमदर्दी के नजरिए से देखना चाहिए और जो सरकार इस स्थिति से निपटने के लिए उपयुक्त कदम समझेगी वो सरकार उठाए। सभी राजनीतिक दल सरकार के समर्थन में रहेंगे।
Arun.
Sir, Arunima from CNN IPN. While you just clarified that most parties agreed that whatever has to be done for the common man of the Kashmir Valley should be done, any specific measures or any consensus like use of pellet guns and AFSP are two contentious
The
issues?
Home Minister clearly has said in Parliament and in today's meeting that there is already an expert committee which is looking into it. Now, this is a matter in which the security implications have also to be examined, and therefore it's only after the expert committee comes out with its opinion, including alternate options, that the government would be in a position to decide the issue. As far as specific measures are concerned, the Honorable Home Minister very clearly has said that security forces have been advised to act with utmost restraint. Curfew has been relaxed in several parts of the state, and the effort is that educational institutions, commercial establishments, depending on the improvement of the situation, should slowly start opening so that life returns to normal.